Pope Francis said the story of Jesus' birth as a poor carpenter's son should instill hope that all people can make an impact on the world, as the pontiff on Tuesday led the world's Roman Catholics into Christmas. Francis, celebrating the 12th Christmas of his pontificate, presided at a solemn Christmas Eve Mass in St. Peter's Basilica and opened the 2025 Catholic Holy Year, which the Vatican expects will bring some 32 million tourists to Rome next year. In a sermon focused on the virtue of hope, which is also the theme of the Holy Year.
Sit Domine quesumus, odierne festivitatis oblatio, ut per ex sacrosanta commercia in illius inveniamur forma in quo tecum est nostra substantia, qui vivit et regnat in saecula saeculorum. Amen.